Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It feels really weird to be coming at you from my bedroom. It's like an old classic vid, but I'm home for Christmas and I have ballet this morning at 11 o'clock. It's 9:30. You can't see it all, but it's 9:30. So I thought I'd just film a cute little makeup tutorial. Just something simple and fun. Yeah, maybe I'll do my hair as well for class. It's straightened, so it's not gonna twist. I'm gonna have to do a bun today, which is but it's alright. It's not the end of the world by any means. I'm gonna prime my face with the Origins Ginseng Energy Boosting Moisturizer. It's my favorite moisturizer. I left my full-size one back in Montreal, so this is just like a travel size. I've been priming with moisturizer because living in Montreal has made my skin unfortunately very dry. I've had like oily skin kind of my whole life, and now it's like flaking off my face. I'm gonna use the glossierbomb.com on my lips because they are chapped. I think for foundation today I'm just gonna use my favorite MAC Studio Face and Body Foundation, just to keep it a little more natural. I haven't worn a full coverage or even honestly like a medium coverage foundation in like a long time. Like if it's not for a show, you know? Like, yeah, I obviously wore full coverage for my shows last spring and stuff, but like for life, I really just like a sheer little coverage. I find that this foundation just really evens out your skin tone nice and just kind of is good. I just like lightly swirl it kind of all over the surface of my skin just to kind of spread a nice like even layer everywhere without it kind of looking too cakey or too heavy. Although I feel like no matter how much of this foundation you put on, it could never look heavy, honestly. I'm gonna conceal a bit just with some Maybelline Instant Age Rewind. Just got a new shade in this concealer. I'm in the shade Light. I used to be in the shade Fair, so I've gotten tanner throughout the years. My skin's looking very nice. Like, so see how you can still kind of see redness and like discoloration I have on my cheeks and even like a little bit of acne, but it just looks like nice and kind of, what is the word? I'm gonna do my powder. My Glossier Wowder favorite powder. I'm just gonna set like my eye area with this big brush. Just kind of pop it on there, and then I'll just set like the rest of my face kind of like very lightly, just a little bit all the way around, because I do, like I said, I have dry skin now, and so powder is not really like my fave. I used to be like a mattifying powder, cake it on all over the face and I'd still get oily. Now it's like mattifying powder literally makes my skin look like the desert. It's bizarre. I'm gonna do my eyebrows real quick just with the Anastasia brow powder in like blonde taupe. Alright, my eyebrows look bad, but it never looked good in my life, so nothing's new there. I did not bring an eyeshadow palette like with me home because I knew that I had like left behind a bunch, but Mace has all these cool eyeshadow palettes. I feel like I'm gonna use one of hers. This is a contour palette. I'm gonna do a combination of Dream Street and the Zodiac, just because I feel like the colors kind of go together a bit, mostly on these like pinky tones. Yes, I'm feeling it. If you're not, that's okay. I'm gonna start with this light shade from Yes Please just to set my whole lid. Just because my eyelids are very veiny and they can use the extra coverage. This guy from Dream Street, it's like a light little pinky color. We're doing very pinky romantic vibes today, I suppose. I'm gonna take the shade Libra from the Zodiac. I'm just gonna put it in kind of the exact same spot. I'm gonna dip into a touch of this top corner from Dream Street to add a bit more definition. I'm gonna go over it with that first shade we used from Dream Street, the light pink. Kind of blend. And I'm gonna do the shade Cancer for my shimmery shade. Although, to be honest, like every single shimmery shade across all these palettes looks exactly the same. Very pretty, but not super intense. If that's the look you're going for, then that's great. It's more of like a shimmer than like a metallic, I'd say. Yeah, super like blown out and natural and not really very defined, which I like. I'm gonna pop on my favorite Essence Lash Princess mascara. It's like $2 and it gets the job done. Oh yeah, that's the completed eye look. It's just kind of like really simple, just shimmery and pink. I'm just gonna quickly blush and bronze with the Too Faced Butter Bronzer. Yikes, this is not Too Faced, this is Physicians Formula. This one is like a nice satin natural finish. I really love it. It's like, you really kind of can't go wrong. Like, I'm not even really kind of paying attention to where I'm putting it down. I'm just kind of like slapping it on my cheekbone area and it'll like make me look bronze. And blush, my favorite MAC Duo. You can't get this anymore. It's from Christmas like a hot minute ago. But it's just a really pretty like dusty kind of mauvey pink blush. It looks like you just walked outside and your cheeks are like naturally rosy. It's really pretty. A comparable blush is probably available somewhere. And then just my fave highlighter is MAC 22 Extra Dimension Skin Finish. And like there's another skin finish they have that's like a nice pale champagne-y gold like this. Same formula. It's like, the formula's not like my absolute favorite. It's like a tiny bit metallic-y looking. But it gives like the prettiest reflect, and it's like pretty invisible. Like, it's only really there when the light hits it. I really like it, and the tone is really, it's like, the tone's right on the money. Lipstick, I'll just probably take, what will I take? I'm kind of shimmery, so I'll do like a not shimmery lip. I'll just take Bite Honeycomb. This is one of my favorites. Pretty. My lips are kind of chapped, as you can kind of see. I'll just show you guys how I do my bun real quick. And then I do a low bun because it's just what I do. Bye. And I'll hairspray it, but that is it. And then what I do is pull out some pieces around my face to make it look casually thrown up. And yeah, that is my makeup and hair for ballet. I guess I'll show you guys my leotard. Yikes. I have to cover some hickeys. This is my leotard, just a light blue one from Wear Moi. It has like some flower detail and a nice back. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed this cute little makeup tutorial. Get ready with me for ballet, and I'll see you next time. Au revoir!